There exist sounds that can put us on alert. Some of it can sound so terrifying that they can make us uneasy. And one of the most interesting and mysterious monsters that we have information about are the Trevor Henderson Titans. These are creatures that have a massive size and height and are highly destructive and devastating in every single of its apparitions. That's why in this video I will show you the Trevor Henderson's Titan sounds. So let's get started. Birdwatcher is a gigantic entity that appeared without an apparent purpose. It was considered the first giant to not cause devastation to the human race. It sounds quite consistent with the giant's calm personality. The Roving moon is a being. It has a kind of light in its head that has a certain resemblance to the moon. This being is quite mysterious and its true behavior could actually maintain a lower profile. Wandering Fate is one of the most cataclysmic creatures of all, being practically indestructible. It's equally terrifying. This being measures several miles height. It even slurs past the clouds.
Please stay inside until further notice unless you or a loved one has been pre-chosen.
The Megahorn is basically one of the creepiest versions of Siren head, having all its abilities but increased by 1000%. This being is also known as the Siren head devorator. I don't really know if I should put it in this video because it's not really part of the Trevor Henderson universe. But well, here's the sound. Tentacle crab is an entity of massive size, being practically a living mountain. It has other limbs emerging from him, which it uses to kidnap people. It is one of the most giant beings that you will see in this video. It states that its sounds were recorded about 10 miles away, and even then it can be heard very clearly. Remaining Indoors is a giant creature. It was appeared during the events of the Giants invasion. It's supposed to be its apparition on Mexico, but it's not confirmed. It is said that the people was so scared by its presence. That's not the moon is a giant being. Although it's not so much compared with other monsters, this is a sadistic and dangerous being. There's a lot of strange hypotheses about that he could be a SCP. Here you have its sounds, which is quite interesting to listen to. The giant Siren head is a version of Siren head, obvious, but with the quality that this will be part of the giants. If this Siren head existed, it would be even capable of defeating the Megahorn. Bodyworm is a gigantic entity which has a lot of resemblance to a tree of the roots of one. Its height exceeds 100 meters, and with each of its limbs it catches whatever it crosses its path. The Wandering Doom is a giant that has one of the strangest appearances. This being is quite powerful. It might be not too much noticeable, but in reality this creature could measure several miles in height. Ashot, also known as the Ashot, is one of the strangest giant beings. It is a result of scientists' experiments. It's not a titan like the others due to its origin and creation. Even so, listening its sound, it's interesting. This next giant is an elemental one. It's also known as the fire giant. This being is quite destructive and can incinerate the entire neighborhood in just a few minutes. The Grabber is a horrendous creature that's said to have burned the earth and the 2024 and being to eat people or simply kill humans in a cruel ways. This being has a very interesting story, being part of a series of tragic events with too much sadistic results. The giant with red dots. It's a creature that it has cataclysmic proportions. It gets its name due to all the points that it contains in all its body structure. There are several hypotheses and theories about what this red dot means. It is believed that each point symbolizes a natural disaster towards the air, and in its sounds we can hear its footsteps. Breaking uses a giant destroyer, which means that his main mission is to destroy whatever comes his way. I thought its purity is to devastate the people that he considers impure in order to purify the planet Earth. So well, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If there's someone, please comment And well, I'm gonna upload videos like this in the next weeks, so thank you so much for stay till here. If there's someone, thank you so very much. And well, I'm gonna continue planning more videos like this, because I don't know, I think it's funny to do this kind of videos, and it's funny to share with you what I like. I don't know, this video is like the videos that I usually upload on my main YouTube channel, so I consider this like a new thing for me. It was easy to do and very funny. I really enjoyed to do this video too much, and well, I really appreciate every person. I don't know if I don't really know if someone gonna see this video, but well, it doesn't even care. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, and please subscribe or leave a like. See you.